Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Poloniex. The first thing to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device, and if prompted, log in to your account. Now from the home screen, tap the wallet icon, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and it takes you over here. Now in here you have this button that says deposit/buy. Tap on deposit/buy, and you have a drop down menu that says deposit, P2P, and buy crypto. Select buy crypto, and you have this fantastic window already displayed for you. In the buy crypto section, check the pay segment. Now you can change the pay. You can click on the pay to select the fiat currency that you want to pay in, depending on the fiat currency that you have balance in. So select any of the fiat currencies to, so let's say I choose USD, so enter the amount of USD that you want. So let's say 10,000 USD. I do not have an available balance, so this may not even work. Now, okay, 27.95. Let's just leave it at that. Then over here we have receive. This is where you change this cryptocurrency to Bitcoin because you want to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so click on that and select BTC, which is Bitcoin unannounced. So select payment method. You have Mercury and you have Simplex. So for any of those processes, in this Mercury you can also allow for bank transfer. Okay, so or you can use Simplex as well. Then once you're done, this is what you're going to get for this amount of USD. This is the amount of BTC, that's Bitcoin you're going to receive. Check this box that says I have read and agreed to the terms of use and select submit. And Poloniex is just going to process. You're definitely going to process your request. Once they process your request, then you should be able to see that your Bitcoin balance has been updated. That's pretty much the process. If you're enabled to FA, then you'll be enabled to add your 2FA password using any of the authenticator apps. In the sense, Google Authenticator app. So follow through with the process, add any other security prompt that you're going to receive. And once you're done, you'll see that your Bitcoin balance will be updated. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.